Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review for you, and it's a review on these Chalkola chalk markers that I won off of Amazon giveaway recently. And I'm just going to show you how to use these and what surfaces you can use these on. These chalk markers comes with 10 markers, and it says it works on all non-porous surfaces. It's a 6mm reversible tip. It says it's child safe, water based, non-toxic, washes off from clothes, low odor, acid free, xylene free, quick drying, long lasting, works best on chalkboards, whiteboards, blackboards, windows, glass, ceramics, and other non-porous surfaces. We'll be testing a few of these surfaces and also to see how quick this dries. Also to the back, they'll show you a startup guide on how you shall use these pens, and the colors of these are pastel purple, aqua blue, teal, cigar, astroturf green, pink lemonade, amber, grape jelly, flamingo, and beetlebug green. So let's jump right into testing these. So firstly, I'm gonna open these, and this is what the colors look like. They are kind of like I should say a larger size. It reminds me of a permanent marker size. It has the same pattern as the package, and it also has the instructions and also what surfaces you can use it on. Bear in mind, on the pen itself, on the marker itself, it's it's saying something totally different. On the surfaces, it have less surfaces than on what the packaging say. So to use this marker, you have to shake it well. You take off the lid, you turn it upside down, and you press the tip up and down. You keep doing that until the liquid on the inside starts to release and comes to the tip. And as you can tell, it's coming out. I'm just gonna do it a few more times. And as you can tell on my fingertip, it has a little bit, not much to talk about. So I'm gonna do it a few more times. And there you can see. And this is how you get the liquid to the surface, to the tip of the marker. So as you can tell, I have four of the surfaces here to try out. The whiteboard, which is my daughter's Monster High whiteboard, a ceramic mug, a glass jar that also has the chalkboard label on it. So I'm gonna write the brand of it. And as you can tell, it's still kind of wet, so I'm going to give it a few minutes to dry, and I'll let you know exactly how long it takes to dry. So after 3 minutes, as you can tell, it did dry, but if you pass your hands on it, it comes right off. So I will not recommend it for whiteboard, unless that's exactly what you want it to do. Just write on it to get it off. But you can also use a damp paper towel or Windex or a damp cloth, and it comes off very easily. Next is the ceramic mug. Let me check after 3 minutes. Same problem as the whiteboard. It comes off very easy once you put your hands on it. I will only recommend using it onto a mug unless you have to put like a saying for somebody as a gift. Seeing that Valentine's is right around the corner, I will suggest using this for that, where they can easily wipe it off. Now I'm gonna test out the glass part of it after 3 minutes, and it's the same problem. Once you press hard, it's gonna come off, as you can tell there. And just as the ceramic mug, only if you are writing a cute little note or putting a person's name onto the jar or the mug, I would suggest using, last but not least, the chalkboard label. As you can tell, I'm rubbing pretty hard and it's coming off a little, as you can tell there, not as bad as the others. And let me see how easy it comes off with the damp paper towel. As you can, so my review on this, my take on this, my honest review on this, I would highly recommend this for chalkboard labels. I would highly recommend it if you're gonna put like a cute little note onto ceramic or glass, or if you have some glass that you just want to prettify and you're not gonna be using it as often, or people not gonna be touching it as often where it can smudge or come off. Yes, but if they are, no. But overall, I love these. I will purchase these once these are finished, and as you can tell, it's 10 in here. I don't think they will finish that fast because I'm just gonna use these to label everything. All my chalkboard labels I have. On my refrigerator, I have a chalkboard sticker, notes, and to put like different notes, appointments, my grocery list and everything. I would use these for that. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this review, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Also hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. See you in the next one, guys.